The freezing experiments, also conducted by Rascher at Dachau, subjected prisoners to conditions that ostensibly simulated those faced by German soldiers on the Russian front, but actually served as pretexts for prolonged torture disguised as scientific research. Many experiments were conducted on captured Soviet troops. The Nazis wondered whether their genetics gave them superior resistance to cold. Victims were immersed in tanks of ice water or left naked outdoors in sub-freezing temperatures, while their body temperatures were monitored until they lost consciousness or died. Rascher reported that death occurred in 53 to 100 minutes after immersion, but the experiments continued far beyond the point where any useful medical knowledge could have been obtained. Some experiments involved attempts to rewarm the victims using various methods, including forcing them into beds with naked women, a procedure that added sexual humiliation to physical torture while providing no meaningful scientific data. Dr. Sigmund Rascher used about 300 prisoners in experiments recording their shock from the exposure to cold. The stated purpose was to develop effective treatments for hypothermia, but the experiments revealed a sadistic attention to detail that suggested the true motivation was the infliction of suffering, rather than the advancement of medical knowledge. Survivors described how Rascher would adjust water temperatures and exposure times to prolong the agony of his victims, taking detailed notes on their final words, their desperate attempts to escape the water, and the exact moment when life left their bodies.